Hi, this is Tina from osnapletsEat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make red braised pork belly or Shao Rou. This dish is so decadent and rich. You will love it. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound of pork belly, cut into 1 to 1.5 inch cubes, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 5 to 7 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Rock sugar is often used, but you can use any kind of sugar. 3 tablespoons of rice wine, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, about 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of chili bean paste, and dried red chili peppers, which is actually optional but can add an additional flavor. In a large skillet or wok, add cooking oil, sugar, and the dried red chili peppers if you decided to use that. And let the sugar melt and then add pork belly. Brown the pork, making sure both sides are lightly browned. Add garlic and chili bean sauce or paste, and then stir everything together. Now transfer to a clay pot or some sort of medium-sized pot, and then on low heat, add the rice wine, soy sauce, both the light soy sauce and the dark soy sauce, and enough water to cover most of the pork. Now cover and simmer for about an hour, stirring occasionally. Remove from heat and serve. I recommend serving with white rice. If you prefer to use instant pots, I also have an instant pot version on the blog, osnapletsEat.com. Remember to subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.